Tangkul Baptist Church Bangalore we Mission Sunday Jimmy Shaw na Thor Hilly Rally Korum Kavai Razang Kai Natum Gutongale Eagle Iwishim Kuring Kapas Salam Jupundle Kala Hikata Mangasaka Atom Jikakami Itumu Yao Homa Pasta Kanilila Chunka Ningshie Digan Board Itum Otsagrum Dekle Gutongale Ningasi Gala Iwishim Kuring Kapas Salam Jupundle Kala Sai koru it tongale itum linga tangkami abroad Jesu Christli ning sidle mission gaji tuyar Greek we missio gaji tuyar ena karane chuika khalatva to send Jehog sok gajine jena isevna Bible bum aring a Torah Bible bum ji tum litar zain ba sok mere in English in Akasi Basoke. Matthew chapter 9, verse 35 to 38. Jesus was going through all the cities and villages, teaching in their synagogues and proclaiming the gospel of the kingdom, and healing every kind of disease and every kind of sickness. Seeing the people, he felt compassion for them because they were distressed and dispirited like sheep without a shepherd. Then he said to his disciples, the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. Therefore, beseech the Lord of the harvest to send out workers into his harvest. Hat kwai ma gchungka le ka ga hata mi machung mana. Chui wang ena ga hata perholi Gahada michungmeda sirat kawai seha salo. Hunna kavrali siasas. Tangkul Baptist Church Bangalore pasokamia gasa kawavra. Churchy no way purpose akawilungli. No way ningazang wilungli. Churchy nana rapasok me. Rivra Church lina na sizin laga twiga hai atamli mangla kichung kali so kami sampangay kala aruila itumli so kami sampangasaktale kala rara da kali atamli la braho mi kichung kali so kami sampangawai nawi plan le nawi purpose le achu church na Mission Sunday da kamayon enang sida Braha, itumi uklung, itumi ningpam solaga. Braha no we ninga jangji. Nana pasok haya church we purposey. Kigalagji, braha itumli tuk meda paptang saklaga. Churchy braha. Nana ninga janga, songza jilitzat laga. No we ming tekam a day. No we gahang kangana. Church ngasangaye. Itumi uklung chivali braha nana rakapio mida. Nana rasijin mida. Ito mo'y uklong ding bam kalang sak milauda. Remake up to Jesu Christo iming sing laga siha sada kapone. Amen. Ini kani with revrahia missionary ne. Gala Bible hiva missionary we lyric ne. Gala ini kani we gospel hiva missionary we janbao ne. Gala church hiva missionary we Institute ne. Aring atar hunaka Rirana Tangkul Baptist Church Bangalore pasok mi gahay with purpose Kikalaga chi itum Bible with dwelling a haulaga itum hunaka nganang rum kavai sase remake up da purpose lima varang laka achu ini kanina rirawi now kasasam bangdagle Rawi now ngalavu, rawi now miras halaga. Sit kesang now agas halaga itum vreshi halaga ring the klehi. Me kai kana atumui pasa mangla jikat laga. Rawi mangla we kagashowe lungli. Europe we ena, America we ena, apam kata we ena, pau kamatahi pungra laga. Aju itum tangkul. Now itum gedongala, itum gechunggaja. Tangkul kahom yurhila rawi now kasasam kapangne. Coca-Cola gazi gold drinks he okutui ajitak mativa sungda gold drinks si sambang asi we kambani na vra we principle Bible we principle kuilaga asi we headquarter le kapiga haya asi we motto asi we team jiva kikla je kava think globally but act locally. Rivrawi pau kamatahi itum danku now itum mirinli kata the pau kamatahi rasung kalaja kava. Rivrana hopoke. Rivrawi manglana hopoke. Rivra inikini with rivra here missionary ne. Itum the Bible lipak yang adamtran Genesis chapter 3 with verse 9 li. Adam na rirawi gahang mangana la rirawi ning kamikai haida rirawi enang tum gahai adamtran rirawi kre missionary call ji migumoli rasume Adam na galilei gala missio dei theological damena Latin duena missio dei Adam where are you na galilei gala gaji Kare missionary call he Rivrana Adamli Ravawe. Jewi call ji Jewi Vauga Shoka Akonji Achu generations Mithot Rasunda Rivrana Itumli Vaujing Fudale. Aring a tor itum kai kaliva Rirawi Manglana Rirawi akon na kavaula changsare. Nawi mirin kujigata mirin li ring the lake lada. Nakali lake lada itum lake kavau akon la changsare. Rirawi mission hiva mikumo Rirawi takamade ena tatung haida Rirawi Aina Jong Makan Nagat Jatwiga Haya, Migumo itum bingli awi redemptive plan of salvation we can be shampang visit Kavaiwe. Mission he. Genesis chapter 3 verse 9 we in a hopok laga. Migumo we taught Gaji the Rirawi mission he hopok. Rivrana at Noah li hokwe. Rirawi Malunkavati. Mikumo with generations lead lay how that Mikumo Saximan Hora Gajivi Malunka Vatagashung Adamtran. Rirana wing is Gahaya, are we mission deep and Yunglaga, Noah Li Hoquilaga, Noah we Shimkruena, generation get us some socracy. Noah we now taught Navirawi Hangmanganala, Chatwiga Hayvang Ena, Rirana, Abraham Li Hoquilaga doing secretary Milaga. Abraham Li, Isaac. Now mira milaga Isaac na Jacob rakwilaga Jacob we aina Rivrana Yur gazi Israel gazi awi mission ji Yur ena hopok nasake Rivrana ngishit ka highway lungli Israel now bingli Egypt li Jingum samati tumra is Egypt we raubam li bam nasake Atam jui Li ogati we civilization li jui me kap gji ngaleji Egypt ngasasai Rirana awi plan ako wilungli Egypt we jui me kap gji civilization jili Israel now bingli raupam lipam ngasaklaga Egypt we civilization jili rargang ngasak yurji haksang ngasak mayasang ngasak Moses li virana hokwilaga Israel now bingli Raubam juena makan gan quick vivang tan chok vivang Moses li aunga farawi now ngalawi now mir sang saklaga balesli aunga we facilities atam jui make up as a civilization doing a lazy we aunga we now mir salaga virana Moses li race sai Ordam gadonga Moses li Rana me facilities to me laga Rana Moses li sitin laga kare Bible the first 5 books of the Bible Dora gazi lo gazi Moses nagapi kagapi sambangai rawi plan ju alungjili Israel now bingli awunga milaga David awunga gal Solomon we atamli chingri ga hai atami rawi tuiga chunga Bible we tuiga chunga awunga David and Solomon we atamli Bible we tu hi kagapi sambangai Rana maran bingli shizin laga maran race halaga prophets bingli rawi pau kamata rawi tuhi hi atumli milaga Old Testament with Bible being he, books being he, complete sangasake. Old Testament with Tim Jiva, Jishu Christa, Rawi now, Mira, Genesis chapter 3, we verse 15, Sitka Haya, Ji fulfill Saga Vayvang, Old Testament with Tim Jiva, Pro Jishu Christa Okatuli, Rajuhora Vayvang. Galatians chapter 4, we verse 4, Litum Nigabadam Taran. When the time is fully at the right moment, at the right time. Atamji minlak hai atamji li chamai kapkachi atamji li rana awi now mere broad Jesu Christali ogatwili jihorai. Naka broad Jesu Christana. Ra azina. Migumo we azakwilaga. Ogatwili. Rawi paukamatazi. Ana jingum gatum dangkai. Mipingli ministry sai. Ana atom ngalay gajida cities gajida khu gajida yawalaga paukamata tamjite atom synagogues bingli rawi paukamataji tamjite jate gala kanang gaza bingli anaraimi gala kaning gajot gazang bingli ana comfort sami laga awi sakhan tu bingli ana hokui laga Migzung Jesu Christ li tishu laga kram the clay tay laga Unyaw yaw ena Akava maklay tada Yaw gahoma maklay tada Unyaw ena lay the clay tay laga Masan laga awisakang a tubing li hokwi laga Ana hangisi Hat kavai maga chung kalay Gaga hat a mima chunter Jiena Gahat broholi se hasalo Gahat mi chung with the Johora Kavai. Scholars speaking the Bible with scholars speaking a hang the he will verse he. Great commissions issue with Associate Pastor Napasoka Haya. Matthew chapter 28 with verse 18 to 20. The big higher great commission G. Jesu Christina G analyze Kasanis. G hamong so community. G great commission G paptak vang Jesu Christina tampok tamipok haya to Bible bamnida scholars speak na hang. Jesu Christina ana ogatwili ralaga ana saki gidong fulfill sai laga cross the inikani vang timi ai laga kazing ramle ascend sag ayutili itumna book of Acts kaba damtran churchy form sai kala khare church Antioch na itumna Bible Acts chapter 13 with verse 1 and 2 jilikapa damtran itumna sambange kiza khare church Antioch with church na Barnabas ena apostle Pauli missionary akasak vai vang church ena si hasalaga so kami pungkwilaga anikanili missionary journey chakna saklaga pau kamatazi niaw vang sangke prophet apostles bingli viranish jinnaga virawi tui Bible hi complete halaga achu inikani rinli Bible gospel hi rasung laga inikani virawi now gasa samgatong Rawi redemptive plan of salvations migumo itum gutong li hui kui kawai planji achu ini kanili Rawi now sang subtly he in a paninge Uncle Baptist Judge Bangalore Rana Pasokami ya itum collective Rawi tuing an alaga Rawi shim hilipam laga itum collective we matalaga tautur ina itum collective mangring palak in a bum kawai Rana itumli churchy malingami jai the paning. Jane, what is the business of the church? Are a church with business, church with purpose kikala da itum wing azili itum we alungling nga hanaka itum kai kana hangre ka kanang ka zabing li visit salaga kala itum miguma ha ka salaga itum transitions atamli now ming ka phokli now ka phra atamli ngalas ka za atamli or ka ti ka sar ka sok atamli church na sia sami laga comfort sami laga lei khwai wi wang nei da itum kai kana hangre church va kala itum kai kana va itum aka aina aka kedom rock laga comfort sang rock laga itum aka aina aka mangla rin li shuda ga hai dam tran dam chi thei laga itum kala da ring phala aina rawi tui tu alungjili rar sang vai ne da kai kana hangre apong ka chung ga ena hang hai meram bingi apong ka chung ga ena itum na hang dak le tong aji mashum sa la pai itum na paningai churchi itum khalai wang ena churchi khalai na da ka itum na malai hai jiwa ini khani hiya church ne gi hi itum adam sang khameli malai kala ini khani leida khalai hiwa shimanda khalai bing wang we run a church sham ka khamine church with responsibilities ke chungkale ka church with mission akamangle jiwa evangelizing to all nations you chat ka tongali pau khamata wa shoklo ki hi church with mission le church with purpose ini khani khle church with purpose he ini khani live rana church with alung hili lai ngasak te khle hi awi purpose ini khani na points khani ina machuk maram se number 1 le the church is the incubator of missions kachia church wa missionaries being prakhwai believers being li we great commission ji fulfill sakhwai we bang equip sakhwai we bang tarkar sa ta khleji mizami manglaga we na raise sakhwai we bang nei city churches being wing zaile or many tangku churches being wing zaile ina sai ka mechuk jang laga Bangalore Baptist Church kulam hai mai kap ki church akang sat le de rally odram natura da full time commitment me laga rawi wang ring rawi tui ma tui laga okchira da full time commitment me haya theologians chung mai kap ki church akang sat le de ini khani we church li ka hak potential khaleya church ne rally sepa sara da full time mi haya bible tam laga rawi tui tam chi thei laga rawi tui ma tui laga ring ra ga chi theologians chung mai kap chi church tangkul Baptist churches Bangalore na sa sala pai tangkul churches pingwing zaili ini khani we church va kula ma hai la ma hai mai kap chi church ne theologians being rawi tui dam te khale rally sepas hara da le de khale mi chung hi itumna equip salaga jiho sok pa ya potential le de khale ya church ne ji ena church va missionaries being le equips hak vai wi wang mission we visions mi vai wi wang Hoka Poka Foundation mi vai wang rana church awi purpose khare sada itu je ena ka khanili believers in the church are the investor in mission sit ka sang now itum bing hi mission li invest sak vai ne great commission hiwa church li khamine ini khani hi church ne ka ini khani ka tong li rana rawi tui ตำจิเทกไว้วังเราวิปอหาสอกไว้วังอินี่คันนี้ลิมโฮมันเนี่ยข้าฮัตชันดอลลาร์นะฮิดาดาฮังไฮอาคัลเล Great Commission is not an option to be considered. It is a command to obey. Chinese way missionaries na hangai duhi. Great Commission gaji hiwa optional maning mane. Ka hang na kawai ka nganasi ka manganasi kala kuisi ka mu kuisi kala gaji sasi ka ma sasi kala gaji option male mane maning mane gaji. Ka hiwa command to be obeyed. Believers itum sit gesang naw katong ana. Kahang na laga sagi gaji. Commission na gaji ne. Chi thagaba inikani wi mirinli rana inikani liva missionary sagawai moho mane. Evangelist sagawai moho mane. Rawi tuitam laga pastor sagawai moho mane. Oja sagawai moho mane. Kathaga Great Commission hi Believers itum gedong na kata to fulfill sarakla jeka. Cima barang laka. Achu Dangkut Baptist Church Bangalore Churchi ina kasai yang laga rally ning shi nai. I pray inikani. Inikani wi siha kasali church wi songza yang laga rally ning shi mi jing nai. Rana itum le yao khoma kamata yao khoma knimi itum le missionaries evangelists kamata virana qualified kasa evangelists me kala intern sadukle khani jila atum hi MTH ko gaya qualified sa gaya mimang de in it to we churchly in dan sadly khani hila MTH day MTH makubakava master makubakava it we church we standard hili odramang thulu ke paya church akade tikan bingwe mirin phaning laga tikan port rallying shinai tikan chan ga zagal ga athumui wisdom athumui sepa sa nga athumui rally commitment le dekle rally mchuk laga rallying shinai Queer being with me ring young laga rally ning shinai Sunday ke chida hapta ke chida latam laga itumli Sunday ke chida lum sak dekle asas pingna otrum ngai reu ena otrum ngitu dekle mirini yang laga rally ning shinai technical team itum na makhang ngai speaker kachot thak midara laga pi sacrifice laga itum we church service mupung phakawai odrum ngitu dekle sepa sangai reu ena odrum ngitu dekle hi thailaga rally ning shinai Sunday school department church pastor with sermon mangana la sacrifice laga itumi naung rally rawi tuitam chi thai khawai wang rawi tuile angyung shuk laga dar ka khawai wang atum nimi ga hai thang khameji naung rally tam chi thai khawai wang sacrifice laga tam chi thengai reu ena sangai reu ena sadakle hi thailaga rally ning shinai care groups tangwi prayer cell oza victor na hangda tang Tradamati late Tradamati Jilay care group with tangwi leaders mikni gatum laga atum tangwi pastors halaga haptaga chi da worship salaga tang now bingli manglarin rinli mathot mi dakle leaders bingwi mi rinchi phani yang laga atum chi pastor de tang chui safat atum chi maning shinamala Kanui thot yakha church we lung live rally odrum tu ngai re na we rawi ko ho khon sa laga rally odrum kung tu sampang dak leya kanui thot yakha we rally tu we lung li hai khami church rally maning shina mala itumwe church full time ministers ping digan port chang laga choir bing chang laga assess technical bing chang laga Sunday school department chang laga women department youth department machang dure Are in a hangili, Jangra the Penisan, Mahankuitur, youth department or Satakle, women department or Satakle. Gyak, take my day the Saturday door, Gyakalung send the Saturday door, women department youth department na hapta ke chi da atam ku shok laga sacrifice halaga kapi shinalo balan sacrifice halaga rally odrum to the clear any ganili mi the clear talent give exercise halaga odrum to the clear church ne youth department being with executive chang laga women department being with executive chang laga where being chang laga assess being chang laga technical chang laga Sunday school with staff being chang laga full time deacon board chang laga itum mi hang shini hang chi shatna hapta ga jida queen a tok chang laga ngatu laga ot sadak la ya church day matek matay namla mring pha namla mi hang shini hang chi shat staff leadak la ya workers leadak la ya church day jeli itum ya khoma khanina mathalak ina itum li guide sa mi laga idhumli vision milaga rawi khringa tuiji kol administration li itumi darkar ga sajili itumi events atam lungli ani khni wi thang khamay lungli itumli gai chalaga itum ngathu daklaya church ne pi daklay church paning mane ngathu daklaya church ne church wa khringa church ne ka pi church maning mane Thankul Baptist Church Bangalore hili digan salaga iwi mirenli hikata privilege sampang dakle opportunity sampang dakle virali ni shinae I previ inikni virali me short meeting at church va ara great commission he fulfills hak vai vang ara inikni kisau ragle church members being machuglo virana saw me da nin kwashim lei dakle bing virana saw me da what sa dakle bing Rana saw me da no we learn how bring sak the claiming any caning shot now aka sambang da restaurant live paza se je khaba ba tinkani spends how gi gi gold drinks ba sakani gold drinks mang how gi gi mangaji mane rana any kanile lan me otpam me phasa kamathami ning committing me arui digel diwi digel biwi executive being jangsa ga wa athum lung wa ra sports ra ra de le yaglung san do otsat le do itom dang ku now church members being sports we wang pesa invest sadale Naga sports ling reo vai vang ba sap nga thinka olali fairly or kasagazali spensa gi ji preserve sang rok dele kwisok rok dele ka church we offering saira ka ba ini kan we lan khau kwisok laga teo me kap ka ji not ka pang laga offering box li sang dele church we events agu wang fundraise gawa ukanang nai kui gazanai church rahi pogaza rathada inikanina kuye Thankul Baptist Church Bangalore pasok kami rawi vision jiwa great commission fulfill sakavai wang nai inikani we lan khau ngai phung re ini kani we lan khau zek salaga hak mai gap gi not ji virali milo church li lan puing saklo church sang saklo laga church ka sang mang maning la missionaries ping we wang si ha salaga church Jungum Tarawi Kanukli, Thankul Baptist Church Bangalore na Mission Day Unkamayon Hiva, Mission Sunday da Mamayon Luila, Mission Conference the Mayon Ngai. Church when a missionaries could chunga chosok laga. It in neighboring countries being lay. Rawi Twimus Halale declare being lay. Sri Lanka li, Bangladesh li, Thailand li, Japan li, Pakistan li, China li, itu mai neighboring states ping li, missionaries chung ka chu hosok laga, Africa li missionaries hova laga, chungum trawe thili, mission day kamion jiwa mission conference da mion laga. Missionaries katong ali hokui laga atumi mission reports ngana laga atumi missions with challenge ngana laga chimi show mati phanga thang itum mission conference laga Tangkhul Baptist Church mission conference tam yon ngai chi rawi ninga jang dai Legacy Church achu I gala yu shimkhul wangwa rally odrum khang tu hina chong mai kap bata rally mi laga sepa sa dak lain ring dak lain in kanina og thuli mi dak lai og thui ot sa dak lai tundan san san da sa dak lai tong heva siman haur ko ka Bible le Matthew we following verse Matthew 10 we 42 zili Jesus Christ na hangai kachikatha izinana our second to being lay, our disciples being lay, little ones, our disciples being lay. Third class now, aka, I know. Mang kamijila, chewy revert lay race, chewy account lay race. Taka inikanina, we give exercise salaga, we rally otrum to declare he, we run an account malay marala. Taka inikanina offering lay, rawi. Shimli lan kwiradakle missionaries ping wang ini adam kushok laga siasa mi dakle church wang siasa mi dakle juwe account ji run malaim rala church rawi great commission fulfill gasa church ngasa se hat kwai ma chung kler ka hat mi ma chung thare jena ka hada akwali proholi siasa lao Kahat chung mai da kahat mi chung mai da chu hora ka vai ka chi bai babam he na aring a thor in a hun ka saki ka sane itum ka chivle ran so mi serno